Hey everyone, this is Tyler from the library. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can construct your own corkscrew tower ramp. For this project, we'll need the following supplies: scissors, hot glue gun, a cardboard tube, some cardboard sheets, and something round, like a bowl. Our first step is drawing out some circles on our cardboard sheets using our round object. I'm drawing 2 here. You'll probably need 5 to 7 total though. Next, use your paper towel tube to make another smaller circle right in the center of your larger circles. Now let's cut out the circles we just made. Once you've cut out your outer circle, make a cut on one side to the inner part and then cut out the inner circle. Next, let's create a base for our corkscrew ramp. We want to stand vertically, and a really good technique for that is cutting tabs into the base of our cardboard tube. I recommend making these cuts about the exact same length, so that way your cardboard tube stands up evenly. So pull out all these tabs you just made, and now we can glue them to the base. Our next step is attaching the rings to create our corkscrew ramp. So you're going to put it around the cardboard tube and then spread them out so they come at an angle. And you use hot glue to secure them into place. Repeat this process for your other rings. Just connect one edge to the edge of the ring above it and glue them together. The technique I found helpful was kind of pre-bending the cardboard before putting it on the tube. This made it a lot easier to manipulate as I was trying to line up my edges and create my angles. So our last step is adding some guardrails to our corkscrew ramp so the marble doesn't fall off as it's rolling down. So I cut out some really thin strips and then I rolled them tight to kind of break down those layers so that way I could wrap them around my ramp. I then applied a thin layer of glue to the edge of the ramp, just going a little bit at a time so the glue doesn't dry. I then attached the guardrail to the outside of the ramp, again just going one at a time so my glue doesn't dry out. You probably have to apply a little bit of glue at the end, just in case you didn't get your distance right. Repeat this process until you have all your guardrails attached to the outside edge of your ramp.